G'day guys, today we're going to be doing a review on the Dragon GT scooter. Now these are a company called Bike Scooter City right here in Brisbane. These are their own branded scooters and I've got to tell you they're pretty good. The Dragon GT is the entry-level scooter. It's a 350 watt / 500 watt rear wheel hub motor, regen braking, entry-level price $5.99. Now I tell you what, they're pretty good bang for buck for that sort of money, under 600 bucks. 10 amp hour lithium ion battery and a range supposedly of about 25 kilometres. Now I'm a fat bastard, 100 kilos, and I find that at about 18 or 19 kilometres it's starting to get a little bit tired, but that's still pretty good for a $600 scooter. Let's have a bit of a look around it. The first thing you'll notice is that they do have some shock absorbers on the front there, and they do work pretty well. They're 8-inch wheels with pneumatic tyres on them. Now for those dum-dums that don't know what that means that they're filled with air. They are a rear wheel drum brake, which sounds a little bit odd, but it's actually a regen as well, so it pumps power back into the battery, and they do stop very, very well, let me tell you. Not a bad little bit of kit. Got a nice little control panel up here, a little bit hard to see, but maybe in the shade might be alright, which gives you access to some pretty useful information. Let me see if I can shade that out a bit. So that tells you things like your current speed, your current battery condition, distance travelled and things like that. Got the 3 speed modes, 1, 2 and 3. I always ride it in number 3. Top speed of 25 kilometres an hour. Got a pretty good little horn. Yeah, and they're very, very easy to fold up, these things. We're going to get Kel to give you a look at how that's done in just 2 seconds. Walking in, walking out, he says, for God's sake, can you give me some right direction? You've got to say action. So like I said, gang, for $5.99, under 600 bucks, they're a very good scooter. Quite light, they're only about 15 kilo. Quite easy to throw on the train. Righto, let's see how it folds down.